Hi guys, it's Tonya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not going to do an install video. This is strictly a wig review video. If you want to see what the wig looked like before I installed her and a little bit of the install process, please head over to my TikTok. I did record like a little snippet on TikTok. Today's unit is by Sensational. It is part of their Butter Lace line, and this is a new unit called Butter Lace 34. I purchased her in the color Chunky Highlight 30. Excuse me if you hear my son in the background. He's awake. He ain't going to sleep yet. So I got her in a color Chunky Highlight 30. I have never tried this color before, and I was always interested in what it looked like. It's just really, honestly, I think it's like a 2 with highlights of 30. It's really nice and subtle, so if you're not one of those people who like color a lot, this is definitely something if you want to try to get out of the box. This is something that you can ease yourself out of the box. She is a very, very long unit. Oh my gosh, she comes, I can't even show you guys. She comes all the way to the bottom of my booty. So she is a long unit, but she's layered. Very nice, pretty waves. Reminds me of like a Kardashian hairstyle. You know how they go for those like beachy waves, so that's what is going on. And I feel like it layers nicely in the front. The hairline comes pre-plucked, although I did pluck it a little bit. Y'all know how I do. I pluck it more. I'm a little surprised with the hairline. So as y'all can see, you can kind of see the line of demarcation. I probably should cut more lace off. I'm gonna have to, but if I wear this again, but I didn't have to. I usually always tint my lace with lace tinting spray, and I did not have to. I forgot to do it this time, and I was like, oh shoot, it's gonna look bad. But when I put it on and I melted it with my Ebin lace melting spray, I was like, yo, this, I never needed lace tinting spray like ever. So kudos to Sensational's lace for that. She does tangle. She is a longer unit, so she is gonna tangle. Just don't keep running your fingers through it. Like I have a snag here. This is not one of those wigs that you can keep running your fingers through. It is like a light yaki texture. So as far as shedding, y'all know I don't gauge the shedding because I do so much like customization to my wigs. Like I cut the ear tabs off with the extra lace on the ear tabs. I pluck it, so I always get shedding. So it does come in a bunch of other colors. There's a new one called Balayage Latte that everybody could try out. It's like a blonde color. I didn't really want to do that. I was going to go ahead and try my Chunky Highlight Blonde. That's my color. I love that color. It's my new favorites for Sensational is Chunky Highlight Blonde and the Balayage Balayage Chocolate. Those are my favorite. I really, really, really love those two on my complexion, but I opted for the Chunky Highlight 30, and it's pretty. I think I like the blonde better, but it's not bad. She's a very natural color. This wig is not natural though, because it's so super long. So this is not one of those wigs that you just throw on and go. I mean, if you into it, if you like a diva every day, all day, then yes, ma'am. But yeah, I don't really have much else out. Is it big head friendly? Yeah. Sensational wigs are usually big head friendly. You don't got to worry about that. Ain't really much else to say about this wig. Again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like wig reviews. Head over to my TikTok if you want to see more details. Follow me on Instagram for more pictures. And follow my business page. I own a mink lash line called 1111 Beauty. I sell 100% real mink lashes, like the one I'm wearing now. These are the style Riza, and they're one of my favorite styles. I have some new styles coming soon, so make sure you go ahead and follow me. Thank you for watching, and everybody, God bless you. Bye.